Hi, I'm Sharnelle from Dilawri, Canada's largest automotive group. Today we're looking at one of the most popular vehicles from Toyota, the Highlander. In Canada, it's being offered with 3 different trims, the LE, the XLE, and the Limited. Today we're looking at the top-of-the-line Limited trim. Keep watching for an overview, and if you aren't already subscribed, be sure to hit that button so that you can stay on top of what's new in the automotive world. The Highlander has a 3.5-liter V6, making 295 horsepower and 263 pound-feet of torque. It sends power to all 4 wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission, but a front-wheel drive variation is available. When it comes to fuel consumption, the Highlander gets 12 liters per 100 kilometers city, 8.9 highway, and 10.6 combined. It's also worth mentioning that the Highlander is available as a hybrid too. This Highlander is in toasted walnut. The Limited trim adds roof rails with a chrome trim, as well as a panoramic glass sunroof. Up front are LED daytime running lights, and the headlamps are smoked out for a sleeker look. The Highlander is equipped with 18-inch rims, but you can upgrade to 19-inch options. And moving on to the rear, the Highlander has a power liftgate. When you open this up, you are able to configure the Highlander to have over 2,300 liters or 83 cubic feet of cargo space. As well, the Highlander can tow up to 5,000 pounds. This is the type of car that you really don't have to worry about because it is so practical and versatile. On the inside is a brown leather interior with perforated seats. The driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable with lumbar support, and the front seats on the Limited trim are heated and ventilated. The heated steering wheel is only available with the Limited trim, but you do get 3-zone automatic climate control. When it comes to your passengers, the Highlander can seat 8, but because this has captain's chairs, it seats 7. The middle row can recline and slide to offer more space to those who are in the 3rd row. These captain's chairs are also heated with this trim. What's really great about the Highlander is just how much storage space there is. The tray up front is helpful for your essential items, and you can also tuck away items like smaller purses and bags in the large armrest compartment. The Highlander has an 8-inch infotainment system that supports Bluetooth connectivity. It also has the JBL Synthesis audio system. Another great feature, especially for those who intend on using the Highlander to its fullest capacity, is the Driver Easy Speak feature. Instead of the driver having to yell to the rear passengers, this feature transmits audio to the rear speakers. This car is incredibly comfortable and easy to drive since the steering is on the lighter side. The Highlander definitely is the type of car you'd enjoy if you have long drives or go on long trips often where you need something practical, comfortable, and spacious. When it comes to driver assistance and safety features, the Highlander is actually pretty easy to maneuver since the Limited trim does have a dynamic backup camera and a bird's eye view monitor. Toyota Safety Sense P is standard on all Highlanders, and that includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, automatic high beams, lane departure alert with steering assist, and dynamic radar cruise control. This is a wonderful choice to consider if you're looking for an SUV that is capable, spacious, practical, and reliable. After all, it is a Toyota. Learn more about the Highlander at your nearest Dilawri dealership.